When your HVAC system isn't keeping your home comfortable, you need reliable service you can count on. At Comfort Installation Air LLC, we provide professional HVAC repair services to help restore dependable heating and cooling. Whether you're experiencing inconsistent temperatures, weak airflow, unusual noises, or a system that isn't working properly, our experienced team works to identify the issue and provide an effective solution. We focus on quality workmanship, careful service, and helping your HVAC system get back to performing the way it should. Comfort Installation Air LLC, dependable HVAC repair for a more comfortable home. Contact us today.